Well, hello everyone. This is Grandpa Hickory saying hello to you. Thanks for stopping by to see me. You know, I wanted to talk to you about something that has come up about law enforcement. A lot of people are saying, how is it that law enforcement seems to know uh, when people do things right away? Well, I'll tell you something. Uh, They've been putting satellites up in space, law enforcement satellites, to enforce laws, the United States of America, and to assist in law enforcement, FBI, CIA, uh, law enforcement in general. But your car that you drive, it has chips in it, and it's broadcasting who you are, where you live, everything about you, all your information to law enforcement officials. And, of course, everyone knows with cell phones, they're pinging all the time in the towers and they're identifying you also. Well, people that have a tendency to commit crimes, when they go out and commit a crime, law enforcement puts all this together and they immediately have names, addresses, phone numbers, uh, everything about the person, driver's license numbers, social security numbers, relatives, everything. And this is how law enforcement does their jobs. They're able to quickly solve crimes that are of a great magnitude because they can place people, like you've heard of road rages, things like that, of people that for some reason or another they get mad driving down a highway and, well, they run somebody off the road and jump out and want to beat them up with a baseball bat or a pipe, or some people even shoot other people. They actually pull a gun and shoot somebody. Then when the law enforcement officials ask them, why did you do that? They say, well, they cut me off. Well, it's ridiculous, man. So they cut you off. Let them go on. But, it just never ceases to amaze me how that people actually think that they can get away with committing crimes. And law enforcement, like I said, they are able to place a person at the crime scene, the date, the hour, the time, the minute, the second of the crime, and they got it right there. Like you take two people that bump into each other somewhere on the street somewhere, and they get into a knockout fight, and one of them pulls a knife and stabs the other one to death. Well, law enforcement just matches the cell phone tower records immediately, and they've got both individuals pinging together at the same time at the exact time of that person's death. And so they have another crime that they have solved. And this is what's going on in our day and time. And if you've ever wondered how you hear on the radio that something happened, a real bad crime, and in no time at all, they've got the people in custody and you're scratching your head saying, hey, how did they do that so quick? Well, now you know. It's technology. They've been working on this since the 1980s. They started putting these law enforcement satellites into space. And to my understanding, they're low altitude satellites. But these are used in law enforcement in our nation and even throughout our world. Other nations are also doing the same thing, and they're even utilizing American satellites. Of course, they have to pay, a fee. Well, listen, please like this. and hit the like button, and please subscribe. I'm Grandpa Hickory, and I appreciate all of you people. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I just wanted to talk to you about law enforcement and how they solve crimes and all the whodunits nowadays. You have a good day. Bye-bye.